how 24-volt power reaches your thermostat, and how to trace it quickly to fix a dead thermostat or faulty wiring. Power flows from the furnace control board R terminal as a 24-volt alternating current hot leg, travels through the thermostat bundle on the R wire, and returns on the common C wire to complete the circuit. To verify this without visuals, remove the thermostat cover, set a multimeter to AC volts, place the red probe on R and the black probe on C, and expect about 20 to 24 volts under no load. If the reading is low or zero, check for a blown fuse on the furnace control board. Most boards use a 3 to 5 amp fast blow fuse located near the transformer, and replace only with the exact type stamped on the board. Inspect the transformer secondary for continuity and proper output. A shorted or overheated transformer will show an open or drastically reduced voltage and should be replaced with a matching voltage and VA rating to avoid overloading. Verify wire continuity between the thermostat location and the furnace by disconnecting both ends and testing each conductor with the multimeter for infinite versus near zero resistance. Anything above 50 ohms on short runs or a reading that fluctuates indicates a damaged or corroded conductor that needs replacement. When installing a replacement thermostat, always connect R to the thermostat R terminal and C to the thermostat C terminal, and if your new thermostat is batteryless and requires power stealing, ensure the common is wired correctly or add a common adapter kit to prevent frequent cycling and brownouts. Label each wire during removal to prevent miswiring when reconnecting, and route any new cable in parallel with existing low voltage bundles to minimize induced noise and ensure consistent shielding from electromagnetic interference. Use silicone-filled terminal blocks or manufacturer-approved wire nuts on all low-voltage splices and keep total run length and voltage drop in mind. Long runs over 100 feet may need heavier gauge wire to maintain reliable 24-volt delivery. Always turn off furnace power at the main switch and verify de-energized circuits before touching the control board to avoid shorting the transformer or causing erratic readings. One of the biggest issues is thermostat no power or dead thermostat from blown transformer fuse, which shows as 0 volts between R and C. Fix it by inspecting and replacing the furnace board fuse with the exact amp rating and testing the transformer output before assuming wiring failure. One of the common problems is missing common wire for new smart thermostats, leading to frequent reboots and brownouts. To resolve this, by running a dedicated common conductor from the furnace C terminal or install a compatible common wire adapter kit and confirm stable 24-volt supply. One of the frequent wiring mistakes is swapped R and C or mislabeling wires during replacement, causing short cycles and equipment damage. Prevent this by labeling wires, testing continuity, and verifying R to C voltage before finalizing the install. BigHomeProjects.com lists verified local HVAC contractors and wiring specialists, so homeowners can quickly find trusted pros for thermostat wiring, transformer replacement, or control board repairs. Contractors get leads and project visibility on the directory, helping them connect with homeowners who need reliable thermostat power, troubleshooting, and replacement services.